Welcome back, guys. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro.
And we're here on this extremely busy road in Budapest.
And we're going to check out one of the coolest effects in ShotLab, the Streetlapse.
Am I doing this one?
You're doing this one.
Let's go.
Let's do it. So the first thing you want to do is set the Ace Pro on something stable, and we're going to record about 2 or 3 minutes of the traffic. Next up, and you can use the flip up screen for this one to make sure you're in shot, you're going to leave the camera in the same place and record yourself. And you want to do about 30 or 40 seconds of this. Next up, we're going to connect the Ace Pro to the phone with the Insta360 app. We're going to hit edit and scroll down to Streetlapse. We're going to tap that and we're going to tap use this theme. Then we're going to tap subject clip and we're going to use that clip of Georgie that we just shot. Tap next. Tap background clip and we're going to use that clip of the traffic. And click next again. Then we're going to tap create video, and while that's doing that, this might be a good time to remind you, if you're finding this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future videos. Okay, once that's done its thing, it's going to generate a preview that you can check out like this. And if you're happy with that, tap export. And that'll take you to the export settings. Make sure that your bitrate is on the maximum and tap export again, and that'll export straight to your photos. And the end result looks like this.
Okay guys, if you want to pick up an Ace Pro for yourself, there is a link in the description. Now let's get out of this busy road.
Let's get out of the busy road. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.